Hello friends, welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this full video, we'll show about how to turn on Incognito mode on iPhone. Now let's begin. First we will show on Google Chrome. So here we go. Once you are here, now tap on three dots at the right bottom corner. You will see the option New Incognito tab. Tap on it. Now search for whatever you want. Here I am search for Instagram. So simply go and search whatever you want. To hide this completely, tap on the number at the bottom so that you will be see all the tabs. And also close all tabs at once. If you close it directly and open it, then you can see this. To hide this, tap on plus icon, then we go normal. Now we will show this on Safari. So simply open it. Once you are here, now tap on to tab at the right bottom corner. Next tap on private to open private browsing mode. Now search for whatever you want. Here it will open. To close it, tap on to tab at right bottom corner. Then tap on cross icon. Next tap on plus and it will normal. So that's how turn on Incognito mode on iPhone on Safari and Chrome. Hope this video will helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching this video.